Trying to drop a few extra pounds for swimsuit season? Or maybe you're just hoping to trim down for health reasons and live a healthier life in general. As many would-be dieters will probably attest, gaining weight is always easier than losing weight. But don't get too discouraged. Whether you're trying to improve your overall lifestyle or just drop a couple of pounds, there are plenty of tips, tricks, and techniques at your disposal in order to burn off that extra fat and lose weight in a way that's both fast and easy. Here are just a few ways in which you can start burning fat and start making serious progress on your weight loss journey. Before we start, burn a few finger-clicking calories by pressing the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Also, help support our channel by watching this video till the end. Number 1. Swap carbs and sugar for fats and fiber. If you're trying to lose weight, then let us be the first to tell you that refined carbohydrates are straight up kryptonite for your weight loss plan. Refined carbs are created when grains are refined during the manufacturing process, stripping the grain of its more nutritious part, such as the bran and germ of the plant. As a result, the final product often ends up being heavily processed foods with little nutritional value that can also cause weight gain and spikes in blood sugar. If you want to start losing weight fast, cut out foods with refined carbs from your diet and start looking for healthier options instead. For example, foods with healthy fats are actually helpful when it comes to fat burning. Fats digest slowly and therefore slow down your appetite and prevent overeating. For foods rich in healthy fats, try incorporating food options such as olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocados. By the same token, foods high in soluble fiber also digest slowly, and just like healthy fats, they leave you feeling full and sated for longer periods of time. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grain foods are all chock full of dietary fiber, meaning that all these are great options for anyone hoping to make some headway on a weight loss focused diet. Just cut back on the white bread and chocolate cake, and you'll start seeing some results sooner rather than later. Number 2. Drink more water. Just like the foods you eat, your beverages of choice play a key role in how effective your weight loss truly is. If you're a regular drinker of sugary drinks such as soda and other soft drinks, your weight loss plans might lose some of their effectiveness. This is because, unsurprisingly, drinks such as soda and juice are high in calories and sugar, but low in actual nutrients. Similarly, alcohol is also high in calories and low in nutritional value. So if you really want to start losing weight, try not to overdo it at happy hour either. So what should you drink instead? Well, for starters, you may want to consider beverages that are completely devoid of calories, such as water and green tea. Both of these calorie-free drinks are believed to help with weight loss. And in the case of green tea, you'll also be helping yourself to a manner of helpful antioxidants as well. And while you're at it, number 3, start drinking coffee. In addition to water and green tea, coffee is extremely beneficial when it comes to burning fat and losing weight. The reason coffee is so helpful for weight loss is because it's packed with caffeine. Caffeine is often a key ingredient in weight loss products, which can give a temporary jumpstart to your metabolism, helping you burn through calories and fat at a slightly faster rate. To get the most out of your morning cup of joe, make sure you're drinking your coffee black. Adding cream and sugar will only serve to bog down your coffee with added calories, which kind of defeats the purpose of using coffee as a weight loss aid. Sometimes keeping things simple is a better option. Number 4, eat more protein. We already touched on how healthy fats and soluble fiber can help you lose weight fast. However, these aren't the only nutrients in food that can help you start shedding pounds instead of gaining them. Another useful option for your diet is eating plenty of foods that are high in protein. Like fats and fiber, high protein foods help fill you up and keep you feeling full for longer periods of time, making you less likely to pile on the empty calories by way of unnecessary snacking. As an added benefit, a high-protein diet also helps you retain muscle mass while dieting, which ensures that the weight you're losing is from fat instead of muscle. For some high-protein options for your daily meal plan, be sure to stock up on meat, eggs, seafood, legumes, and dairy products. Number 5, get more iron in your diet. Still looking to iron out some of the dents in your diet plan? maybe you should start making room in your diet for more iron as well. Iron is an important mineral that plays a number of important roles in assisting your body's functions, chief among them being the role that iron plays in the maintenance and performance of your thyroid gland. If you're not getting an adequate amount of iron in your diet, this could potentially mess with your thyroid as well as your metabolism. Make sure to incorporate plenty of iron-rich foods into your diet in order to keep your body firing on all cylinders. Number 6. Try an intermittent fast. Intermittent fasting refers to a practice in which a person alternates between periods of eating as normal and periods of fasting in which no food is consumed. Fasting has long been a common staple of many cultural and religious practices, and as it turns out, it may also be able to help you burn fat and lose weight as well. There are quite a few different variations on intermittent fasting, so there are plenty of ways to incorporate fasting as an element of your weight loss schedule. Just be sure to talk to your doctor first and make sure you don't have any pre-existing medical conditions that could be further complicated by attempting a fast. Number 7. Get more sleep. Eating right and exercising are important components to burning fat and losing weight. But if you're not getting enough sleep on a nightly basis, you'll quickly find that your attempts to lose weight are being severely sabotaged. While everyone needs a different amount of sleep based on their body's individual needs, it's generally agreed upon that being well rested plays an important role when it comes to losing weight. The best way to make sure you're sleeping the right way is by getting a proper sleep schedule and devoting proper sleep hygiene. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, limiting your screen time before bed, and limiting your caffeine intake when it's getting late. Sweet dreams, viewers! So, did you find this video helpful? For those of you who've already found some success on your weight loss journeys thus far, what are some strategies that worked well for you? We'd love to hear your experiences and feedback, so be sure to leave a contribution in the comment section below in order to help us keep the conversation going. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.